Welcome to Vito's Italian Cucina. Today we're going to be doing flying saucer summer squash. You're wondering, what's that? What's that, Vito? Stick around and you're going to find out. Hey, it's time for some flying saucer summer squash. That's right. Remember I said to stick around? Don't these things look like flying saucers a little bit? Look at these things. Look at. Now it's time to cut them. Come on. Here's how we're going to do this. So we get your little knife. You cut them like this. It's very simple. You got to watch what you're doing. Sort of like cutting a bagel. You cut them like that in half, put just like that, and hey, I'm going to cut the flying saucer. No, I'm not. I'm going to cut the yellow flying saucer. I love that thing. I'm going to use that other one for later. I may still want to play with that. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go on over to the stove, and we're going to go ahead and put some in there. What I have over here is I have some garlic and some oil, and I put it on a little high temperature here, and I put it up just like that. Bring it up just a little bit. You want to sort of cook them pretty fast. A little garlic, a little olive oil, face down, baby, face down. These cook really fast, by the way. You know, don't those look lovely like that? So you go ahead and you let them cook like this. Let them brown on the bottom, and then I'm going to put a couple ingredients on there. And the ingredients are going to be, what is it? Yes, this is marjoram. Marjoram. This is a wonderful, this is sort of a Spanish spice, which is really a great flavor over here. And then over here, we have some black salt. That's right. This is smoked too, smoked black salt. Anyway, we're going to put that on in just a little bit, but not just yet. So first we're going to go ahead and put the lid on over here. 3 to 5 minutes. Don't go away. All right, those look wonderful. What we're going to do now is put on some marjoram and some smoked black salt. You can get this at any good spice store. So first, the marjoram. Here we go. And you only need a little bit, okay?